And so we'll go over like what's next for us, and then we can get into Q&A. So we're trying to be this like API for the modern day GeekSquad. It helps. We have the founder and CEO of GeekSquad on our board. That actually came from like people are surprisingly willing to help. I found his number on Google and I like cold called him, and we grabbed coffee, and now he's like a very close friend, and he's been on our board for the last 4 years. So like definitely reach out to people that are relevant for your industry. They're surprisingly more willing to help. We're trying to build the white labeled technological workforce for Fortune 100 companies. So this looks like what would GeekSquad be if Target had one, if Amazon had one, if Apple had one, and then we'll white label our technician network and our software, and then we can become that. One of the fortunate things for us is companies know they need on-site workforce, but they don't want to build and manage it themselves. We'll do that for them. We expose our software, and then they integrate us on their website or their call center, and suddenly we're their on-site service platform, which is awesome. So what's next for us is we started in this like unsexy smartphone vertical. Now we're moving into smart home installation. So this is like voice assistants, thermostats, security cameras, smart locks. We're partnering with Amazon about building their largest in-home service network, which is pretty exciting. And the whole idea is that like anytime customers need to solve their technology, they press a button and we show up and do that. So the genesis for that is this is the user experience that we're used to. You just turn on your phone. It could be a Galaxy, an iPhone, and it just works and it's set up. This is the unboxing experience with smart home right now. So there's definitely like a massive market out there where we can slot in and fit in. And customers love these products, but they hate doing the installs. That's where we will jump in. And the idea is that every retailer will need a solution for their customers, and we're fine white labeling it and exposing our software to be that solution, which I'm very excited about. So we have some partnerships. I was actually just kind of get this to this slide. So make sure you have fun. Like we're all, you don't want to spend 10 years of your life building something you're not having fun on. And let's move into Q&A.